Hi, and welcome to Tech Curiosity. Solving a global issue like climate change could require radical solutions. According to the IPCC 6 assessment report, global temperatures are expected to increase by an average of 2.7 to 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit by 2030. This will have widespread consequences, such as rising sea levels, extreme weather activity, flooding, drought, and wildfires. The only question is how severe these changes will be, which depends entirely on how far humanity curbs its greenhouse gas emissions. If we can achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2030, the ecological impact can be blunted by mitigation and adaptation. If emissions remain the same, the consequences will be significantly worse and could make life untenable in certain parts of the world. The most disturbing part is that this is not even the worst-case scenario. Fortunately for everyone, there's a best-case scenario that doesn't involve so much pain and suffering. It's known as climate restoration, a strategy being pursued by Climeworks AG, a Swiss company specializing in direct air capture technology, or DAC, where an industrial selective filtration process absorbs CO2 from the atmosphere. Climate restoration consists of strategies for removing excess carbon from our atmosphere, which is complementary to adaptation and mitigation strategies. The company was founded in 2009 by Dr. Jan Wurzbacher and Dr. Christoph Gabalt, two mechanical engineers who met while studying at ETH Zurich. The two developed the DAC technology their company relies on as part of their doctoral studies, and as part of the Professorship of Renewable Energy Carriers, an ETH Zurich research program aimed at advancing renewable energy technologies. The company is best known for its Orca facility, the world's first large-scale direct air capture and storage plant outside of Reykjavik, Iceland. This facility commenced operations in 2021 and consists of 8 air collectors that have a nominal capture capacity of 4,000 tons of CO2 a year. However, their long-term aim is to scale up and build more facilities so that they can capture more than 1 million tons by 2030. The company recently raised 600 million Swiss francs, equivalent to roughly $650 million in its latest equity round. With this and future investments, Climeworks plans to expand and create other facilities worldwide. According to the AR6, to ensure that the worst-case climate scenarios do not unfold, humanity must commit to a carbon budget. In short, we must limit ourselves to producing 420 gigatons or 381 billion metric tons of CO2 or less by 2030. This is about 12 times the current rate of 34.81 gigatons a year and works out to an annual reduction of about 20%. With this latest round of investment, Climeworks is on track to realizing its goal of achieving 1 million tons of carbon removed from the atmosphere by 2030. But as operations scale up and prices fall accordingly, the technology is likely to see widespread distribution. And as Casas reminds us, this goal goes far beyond any single entity. Hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe for more content in the tech world. See you in the next one.